So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand current control set, and then we're going to expand control, and then we're going to click on graphics drivers. You're going to scroll down and then click on graphics drivers, and then all this will appear on the right side. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Now you want to name this as TdrDelay and click on enter. Make sure that you spell it the exact same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase. And now you want to double click on TdrDelay, and for the base you want to select decimal. Make sure that you select decimal first, this is important. So select decimal and then you want to change the value data to 90. So make sure that you select decimal first and then change it to 90 and then click on OK. And now once you've done that, you want to right click on the blank space again, and then click on new, and then click on DWORD 32-bit value again. Now you want to name this as TdrDdiDelay. Click on enter. Again, use the same capitals and lowercase as I did. Now you want to double click on this and do the same thing. Make sure that you select decimal first. So select decimal first, and then change the value data to 90, and click on OK. Now once you do all this, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.